here it is. How'd you like to get something nice and shiny like that? Of course, usually when you're done with the metal cleaning it, you got to buff it out a little bit. Usually get hatchet heads, used hatchets at flea markets, different places, and have my own little hatchet collection. What I'll do is I'll take off the handle, and if it's rusty usually, I'll go ahead and I'll put it in a vat of a special liquid. You know what this special liquid is called? It's called vinegar. Short, simple, and sweet. Household type vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar or white distilled vinegar. White distilled vinegar is a little bit better because it doesn't really impart much of a color into the metal. Okay, so either vinegar will work, and you can get some shiny, good, new, useful pieces and a longer life out of your equipment if it has gotten rusted for whatever reason. You let it lay out, or you just pick something up, you find something, geez, how can I go ahead and clean that up? Vinegar. Let me move this out of the way right here. Take the top off. Now, here you can clearly see the vinegar working on the rust that's on this old hatchet head. It's taking away all that rust. It's loosening it up so we can go ahead and clean it up from there, polish it. Just plain old apple cider vinegar. You can use the white distilled vinegar if you desire. Get the cheap stuff, the less expensive ones. No need to spend excess money on something you're just going to throw away once you're done with it anyway. Does the job, does it very well, cleans it up. It's eating the rust away. You can see pieces of the rust at the bottom of the vinegar. It took off the big chips, and it'll keep doing that till all the rust is gone. You'll see a little bit of dirty water. Look at this. I've had this in here overnight, and here it is. Look at that. Most all of the rust is off. All we got to do is come back, wipe it, clean it up. You run it through a simple baking soda solution to wash it and clean it up to neutralize any more acid. Even though it's vinegar, it's still usually 5% acidic when you get it from the store. Get the gallon type or a larger container if they got them. I've only seen them in gallon types, gallon container size. And this is what this goo looks like. It oxidizes the, I believe it does. It goes ahead and pulls the oxygen out of the rust. The rust leaves. There it goes. Leaves you a nice clean metal. Now what we'll do, we'll come in, we'll wash this off. We'll neutralize it in baking soda water. Then we'll go ahead and clean it up, polish it up. We'll throw a nice sharp on it, make it sharp, and it'll be all ready to be rehandled. Obviously, we'll go ahead and grind off any more of this paint, but a lot of this paint's even come off. Look at that. Simple vinegar can save your tools, can make you get a lot longer life out of your tools, and it just helps all the way around. Now, certain precision instruments, I'd be careful in putting them in vinegar water, but for the most part, most hand tools, axes, hatchet heads, things of this nature, you come across garden tools that are rusty, but it's like, gee, I just bought that and the kids left it out or someone left it out and it's all rusty. You can clean it right back up overnight. It'll bubble and everything. Sometimes it may take a little bit longer. I've seen people take cast iron skillets and put in a large vinegar based solution, and man, it'll just clean them up quick. But here it is, proof, because this thing was rusty when we put it in there, and it'll just take that rust right off. Recommend you use gloves. It's going to hurt you if you use your bare hands, but obviously you've got rust in there, you could pick up some type of problem. So you just want to go ahead and put your gloves on and use it. And there you go. You can clean it up, save your tools. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. So now you got from this to this. Not too bad, is it? Two different axe heads, yeah, I know, but still. You can get them shiny. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it.